G'day, this is Jim. Today we are making a low sugar sweet tea. We're going to use about a litre of water and we're going to put 4 tea bags and 4 teaspoons of sugar, a small dash of vanilla essence and 2 teaspoons of malted milk drink. We're going to pour in that boiling water and allow this to steep and mix for several minutes. The great thing about this recipe is when compared to things like even just standard milk, which is around 5% sugar, this actually only has around 3% sugar in total. Normal sweet tea is somewhere around 5 to 6% sugar, and a soda is usually around 10 to 15%. So once this is steeped and had a chance to permeate all of those flavours through, we're going to squeeze the bags, dispose of those, and top this up with around 250 millilitres or 1 cup of full cream milk. Give that a stir and then refrigerate. And then of course, once it's had a chance to cool down, you can serve in a chilled glass and enjoy. Now, given that this recipe is so low in sugar, if it's not quite to your taste, you can add in a couple more teaspoons of sugar if you want, and it's still quite low in sugar by comparison to many store-bought varieties of this kind of beverage. I hope you enjoyed this video recipe. Until next time, take it easy.